Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to make delicious Desi pasta right in your own kitchen. We'll go through each step, from gathering your ingredients to serving a mouth-watering meal. This guide will help you create a flavorful dish that combines classic pasta with vibrant Indian spices. Get ready to impress your taste buds with this easy-to-follow recipe, perfect for any day of the week. To begin our Desi pasta adventure, let's talk ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of your favorite pasta, perhaps penne or macaroni. For the base, grab 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 medium onion, and 2 cloves of garlic. The heart of our Desi flavor comes from 1 cup of tomato puree, 1/2 teaspoon of red chili powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of garam masala. Don't forget salt to taste. Now, let's create that incredible Desi sauce. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan over medium heat. Add your finely chopped onion and sauté it for about 3 to 4 minutes until it becomes translucent. Next, toss in the minced garlic and cook for just 30 seconds until it's fragrant. Stir in 1 cup of tomato puree, 1/2 teaspoon of red chili powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of garam masala. Let this simmer for 5 to 7 minutes, allowing all those wonderful flavors to combine beautifully. Finally, it's time to bring everything together. Cook 1 cup of pasta according to its package directions until it's perfectly al dente. Drain the pasta and immediately add it to your simmering Desi sauce. Gently toss the pasta, ensuring every piece is beautifully coated with that rich, aromatic sauce. Let it cook for an additional 2 to 3 minutes, allowing the pasta to absorb all the delicious flavors. Serve your homemade Desi pasta hot, perhaps garnished with some fresh cilantro for an extra touch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.